Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. So in this video, let us learn about a core module called as the request module that Python provides us. So the request module is used to make HTTP requests to remote servers and interact with the servers with request response events and interactions. So if you want to learn what an HTTP request actually is, I have covered the concept behind this in a separate video of my JavaScript series. The link for that video can be found down below. So back in my editor, let us first import the request module that is a part of the Python standard library making HTTP requests to remote server. So we will use the requests module. So I can say import requests. We can import certain functionalities from our requests module. So I can say from requests import get, which we'll see in just a minute what it does. And now let us define the URL that we want to hit. So URL https://json placeholder .typicode.com/todos. Now in order to make a request, we can use the get method that the request module exposes to us, and we are extracting that from the request module using this syntax as you can see here. And this will help us to fetch the resource from the server, which is the todos in this case. So I can say get, and the get method will take a URL and pass on that URL, and this will return us some response. So now let us print the response to the terminal. And let us run the file. And you can see we are getting a response with a status code of 200. So now let us print the status code to the terminal by saying print response.status_code and run the file. So now you can see we are getting a response with a status code of 200. That means that the response was a successful response. Now to print the JSON that we get back from the API, we can say todos response, and it has a JSON method defined on the response that we are getting, and this will spit out the todos. And now let us print the todos to the terminal. So print todos, and let us run the file, and you can see we are getting the entire data from our API, that is a list of dictionaries. Each todo in this case is a dictionary that has a user ID property, an ID property, a title property, and a completed property. So what we can do on this list of dictionaries is that we can iterate over the list of todos and print the data for each of the todos to the terminal. So I can say for todo in todos, and I will print todo created by user with an ID of todo user ID, which is the key, and we can access it using the key by saying todo and user ID. And then let us print the ID for the todo. So todo ID, let us write colon here as well and some space, and todo ID, and then print the title of the todo. So todo title, and print the status of the todo, whether it was completed or not. So is completed and todo completed. So we are separating the information of each of the todo by using this separator line. And now let us run the file, and you can see we are getting the output. So for each of the todos, we are getting this todo created by user with an ID of 1, the todo ID, the title of todo, and whether the todo was completed or not. So this is the entire data that we are getting from a fake JSON API. So this was a short video on request module. We'll learn more on the modules in coming videos. So if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for all the upcoming uploads, and I will see you guys in the very next video.